Okey ya, bagaimana penghadaan deria manusia, kecacatan organ deria dan juga penuaan mempengaruhi pendengaran dan penglihatan. Okey. At the end of the lesson, students could give me 3 types of limitations and how technologies help human being addressing this problem. Okay, semakin kita tua, semakin banyak had ataupun deria kita tidak mampu mengesan. As we are aging, for all people, they have difficulties to hear or to see. Okay, this happen to all human being. Okay, semua akan jadi tua kan? Tak ada seorang pun yang akan jadi lebih muda. Ada tak yang akan jadi muda? Masa sekarang kamu, how old are you? 15 years old. Are there anybody who going back for 14 years old, 13 years old, or going back to be a baby? No, nobody will going back to the baby, right? You will be older and older as time goes by. Okay? Last time you don't have mustaches or beard, but as time goes by, the mustaches, the hairy will become grower. So that means that you are become aging. Kamu semakin menua. Okay? Okay, let's look at page 24. Audio-visual, which combine the senses of hearing and sight, plays an important role in daily life. Let us investigate how limitation of senses defects in sensory organ and aging affect the sensitivity of hearing sight of humans. Audio-visual refer to the use of 2 components, sound component and graphic component. Okay, sebagai kita tua, kesensitivitan kita terhadap penglihatan dan pendengaran berkurang. Okay, bayi ataupun kanak-kanak, adik-adik kamu who have brothers or young sister at home, raise up your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, put down your hand. So most of you has young brother and young sister. So that means that if you look at your brother or your sister, they have very sensitive ear, they have very sensitive eye, they have a very sensitive nose. They can sense the senses very effectively. Okay, limitation of sight. Okay, limitation of sight is the limitation in the ability of eye to see object. Have you seen magic before? Siapa yang tak pernah tengok magic? Semua orang pernah tengok magic kan? Kamu pernah tengok tak? Dia potong badan, and then badan tu dia pisahkan kaki dan juga kepala. Sebenarnya dia menyorokkan kaki dia di bawah, betul tak? Sebenarnya magic itu adalah contoh penghadatan mata kita. Limitation of our sight. Okay, limitation ni maksudnya keterhadatan kita punya, kebatasan kita punya penglihatan. Penglihatan kita, can we see microorganism?
No.
Can you give an example of microorganism?
Yes.
Yeast. What else? Influenza A, virus. Okay, viruses. Bacteria. What else? Microorganism. Algae. Okay. Protozoa, paramecium. These all we call microorganism. What does it mean, micro? Micro means very small, that you cannot see with your naked eye. What means naked eye? Mata kasar. Okay. So that means penglihatan kamu ada batas dia. Okay. So we use microscope to see the small organism. We use what? Microscope. Alright. Can you see God? No. So that means our sight is limit, batas, terbatas. Okay. Limitation of sight is the limitation of ability of eye to see objects. We cannot see very tiny objects such as microorganism, as well as very distant objects such as planet Jupiter. Can you see Ipoh?
Yeah.
Cannot. Can you see KL, Kuala Lumpur? Cannot. That is a very far object. That is a very far object. What you can see here is in this classroom. You can see your friends, And some of you are going to be crazy. Anik already begin crazy, they cannot focus. Okay. So optical illusion. Okay, see at the page 24. Which line is longer? PQ or RS? Which one is longer? Who said PQ is much longer? Raise up your hand. Who said PQ is much longer? Just one. Okay, good. Who said RS is much longer? So, what is your answer? Basically, both of these lines has the same distance, same what is called measurement. But if you see at a glance, kalau kamu lihat sekali pandang, dia macam PQ is much longer, betul tak? PQ lebih panjang. But basically it is the same distance. Okay, we go for the B. Which spot in the center is larger?
Same.
Tompok manakah di tengah-tengahnya lebih besar? X or Y? Who say X is much larger? Siapa kata X punya titik itu lagi besar?
X.
Anyone?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Who said Y is larger? Baswin say larger. Why Baswin? Why you say Y is larger?
Pagi ni kau boleh tepi-tepi. Memperdekat sini otak dia. Iya, Mak. Aku kan buat.
Okay, if you see at the glance, kalau kamu lihat sekali pandang, X is much larger, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. But if you see closely, you use critical thinking, basically X and Y is the same shape, same size. Okay? And then we go for the C. Are these sides of the square straight or curved? The square, petak tu dia bengkok ke ataupun lurus? Siapa kata petak tu lurus? Angkat tangan. Siapa kata petak tu bengkok? Macam bengkok. Cuba kamu tengok lama-lama. Can you try to look it longer? As you look it longer, you look at the center of the image. Kamu tengok dekat tengah-tengah dia. If you look at the center of the image, it look like the square is almost curved. But it is not curved. It is a straight line. It is a straight square. So these three situations we call it as optical illusion. Say class.
Optical illusion.
Optical illusion.
Optical illusion.
Optical illusion.
Optical illusion.
Okay, can I hear the voice of what? What? Can you repeat again? Optical illusion. Very good. So, optical illusion in Malay we call illusi optik, such as magic. Okay, that one is defeating our eyes. Semua itu menipu pandangan kita. Can you see girl? Girl normally wear what? Wearing what?
Menipu makeup.
Makeup, right? So they look flawless. Flawless mean what?
Tak ada jerawat.
Flawless. Sempurna, tak ada jerawat, tak ada black spot, blind spot. Okay? They put eyebrow, eyeliner, eyelashes, eyeshadow. What else? Concealer. You know what is concealer? Concealer is to hiding any black spot. Okay, for example, you have that pimple, the black color, right? You use concealer. The concealer color is almost like your skin color. So when you put concealer, you cannot see it different. So you look flawless. This all we call it is optical illusion. When the girl already washed her face, you will see the true face. Okay. Okay. We go for the next. Look at figure 1.2, 1.20 and answer the question given. Check your answer using a straight ruler. Is your answer correct or wrong? Why? Optical illusion occurs when an object that is seen differ from its actual state. Optical illusion occurs because the brain is unable to accurately interpret the object seen by the eye due to distraction around the object. Okay? Kita tak boleh lihat secara betul objek sebenar tu kerana gangguan-gangguan lain. Contohnya mata seseorang tu. You can make someone eyes bigger. For the Korean, the eyes is smaller, right? they use eyeshadow to make it much bigger. So that is distraction. Distraction tu gangguan. Tengok mata dia macam comel lah. Sebenarnya dia gangguan. Okay. Okay, we go page 25. Blind spot. Refer to the blind spot shown in the figures 1.8 on the page 12. Why are images that fall on the blind spot invisible? We are unaware of the presence of blind spot in the eye because it's not possible for the image of the same object to fall on the blind spot of both eyes simultaneously. Okay, dia kata manusia punya ada bintik buta, betul tak? Bintik buta ni dia tak boleh jatuh dua-dua. Kita ada kiri, bintik buta kiri, bintik buta kanan. Kalau kamu tak percaya, kita buat aktiviti ni ya. Okay, sekarang semua tutup. Hold this book with your right hand. Semua buku. Hold your book with your right hand. Okay? And then straight your arm. Straight your arm. Luruskan tangan. Mana buku? Okay. And then cover your left eyes and look at the cat. Tutup mata sebelah kiri dan tengok pada kucing. Tutup betul-betul belah kiri. Cover your left eye and look at the cat with your right eye. Tengok kucing tu dengan mata kanan. Tengok kucing tu dengan mata kanan. Tengok kucing dengan mata kanan. Okay? And then move this book slowly towards your eye. Dan gerakkan buku ni perlahan-lahan ke mata kamu. Perlahan. Kamu tengok kucing ya. Kamu jangan tengok buku. Tengok kucing, kamu dekatkan dengan mata kamu. Move this book slowly towards your eyes. Okay, ada tak burung tu hilang?
Ada.
Once again ya, kamu ambil tangan kanan, letak buku ni, luruskan tangan. Tangan kiri tutup mata kiri. Tangan kiri tutup mata kiri. Mata kanan tengok kucing sahaja. Tengok kucing sahaja. Kemudian gerakkan buku ni perlahan-lahan ke depan. Kamu tengok kucing, jangan tengok burung. Tengok kucing. Tengok burung apa? Kamu tengok kucing saja. Suddenly the bird is disappear. Hilang kan? Siapa yang kata burung tak hilang? Who said bird is not disappear?
Masya.
Okay, if you see that bird still appear, that means you do the activity correctly. Close your left eyes and move. See only the cat. Lihat kucing saja dan gerakkan perlahan ke depan mata. Kamu tengok kucing saja, jangan tengok burung. Tengok kucing saja. Gerakkan dekat mata. Gerakkan dekat mata. Gerakkan dekat mata. Gerakkan dekat. So, as you move this book slowly towards your eye, does the bird disappear or not?
Yes.
Does the bird disappear or not?
Yes.
One, does the bird disappear or not? Yes, it disappears. Because of what?
Blind spot.
Yes, because of the blind spot.